are two ways to install the libraries we need. So first is to use the tutorial.ipynb file inside Google Colab or natively in the system. Second is to use Anaconda and then install all the required libraries. So let's start with Anaconda one. First we'll have to download the program itself. So we'll head over to the website. Now for Windows it's pretty straightforward, just use this one, 64-bit graphical installer. I am on Linux right now, so I'll use this one. After downloading this file, I already have it downloaded, so let me head over there. So yeah, here we are. So we'll have to give this script file execute permissions. Currently we only have read and write, so chmod. So now we do have execute permission, we can install the program. sh file name, enter, q, yes. After this it will install all the required libraries. I've already installed it, so I'll cancel it. So yeah, so after we have installed it, we'll head over to the project folder. Here's the project folder. In this the weights have the pre-trained in these files that we can use to detect do object detection. This one is small, medium, large, extra large. So small will work fine in most cases. The bigger ones will give a better results. So let's start. So yeah, first we'll need the source file that we want to process. We'll put in source video folder. Here's our file, let's put it here. Next is now we'll install the required libraries. For that we'll have to create an Anaconda environment. So open terminal. Next we can use this. Let's use this command to create a new environment with the required libraries. First is this command. It will create a new environment with name YOLO and Python version 3.8. We require at least this version 3.8. So yeah, it's installed. Let's activate the environment. Next is install IPyKernel. Last one is to install the Jupyter Lab or Jupyter Notebook or any ID environment. After we are done with it, we'll finally move over to the folder, our project folder. So yeah, let's see cd. Now we are in the project folder. Next is to use this file inside it. we have to run these two commands. First is to install all the requirement. This next command is for like providing the source file and getting the output. So let's wait for it to complete. Okay, we are done now. So copy this command, and here this video.mp4 is the source file. Here we'll replace it with whatever file we have in this source folder. So it's a 4K file with 3 GB size. We'll put it here, .mp4. One thing is, yeah, we can here provide whichever weight we want to use. Let's start with this since it's the fastest one. AMD 640. We can increase this in order of 32 to improve the detections, but it will take significantly more time to process the images and get the result. This next one, -conf, in this means how sure the detections are when they are showed. Like 0.25 means the algorithm is 25% sure the detection is correct, then only it will show up the detections. We can increase it or decrease it according to our needs. Let's start this. So yeah, it's going on. There are 96,000 frames and it's taking somewhere like 40 milliseconds or so to process a frame, but it's a pretty slow GPU, so it's fine. It will work much better in high-end workstation cards. So after it's done, all the result will be stored in this folder. Here, this one, detected video results. This will be the result file with detections. So right now it's generating all the detections. It will take quite a long time, so I'll stop it here. So for inside detection frame, we have all the frames and detections with frame number. Like frame 27, we have all these detections. Like this one has 29% chance that it's a traffic light, this one has 78% chance that it's a car, and so on. Similarly, in detected objects, we have all the objects of every frame, like frame 26 object 1 car, frame 26 object 2 car, frame 26 object person. So yeah, if we do not want, since these two folders might take like a lot of space, the PNG files are uncompressed, so we can delete these two folder before running the program if we do not want the images. So end result will only be this video file. Let's run the file. I've already ran it once. Here's the output. Here's how output looks like. So that's it.